Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix your keyboard if it is not working on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to create a virtual keyboard right here. So you can do that by going here on the start button and then right click on it. And then in this part, we're going to click on settings. And then once you're now here, just go here on the left screen and then we're going to click on Bluetooth and devices and then look for keyboard. So after that, we're going to activate the virtual keyboard by scrolling down and then click on keyboard accessibility and then click on on-screen keyboard. So once you click that, you will be able to see this keyboard. So this is the keyboard that we're going to use for the next steps. Now, what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for run. And then once you search for run, just click on open. And then in this part, we're going to type regedit. So just type regedit right here and then click on OK. And then click on yes. And then once you're now here, what we're going to do next is to go into HK local machine. And then we're going to click on system and then look for current control set and then look for services and then look for i8. So just scroll down right here and then look for an i8 folder, which is right here. So click on that. And then in this part, we're going to click on start. So double click on it. And then for the value data, we're going to change it to 1. So click on OK once you do that. And then try to restart your computer and see if it is now working. However, if that did not work, what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for Device Manager. So open Device Manager right here. And then in this part, we're going to look for our keyboard driver, which is right here. So once you click that, you should be able to see your keyboard drivers. So it is typically this one. So once you see it, what we're going to do is to just right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on browse my computer for drivers. After that, click on let me pick from a list and then just choose this one. And then after that, once it is installed, just close this. And then after that, restart your computer and see if it is now working. And then after that, if it is still not working, then the last thing that we can do is to go into our search bar and then search for CMD and then run it as administrator. After that, in this part, what we're going to do is to type prompt and then click on enter. After that, we're going to type this. So just copy this and then just click on enter. And then after that, let's wait for it to finish. So if they did not find any integrity violations, we're now going to proceed to the next step and then paste this. So once it is pasted, just click on enter once again. And then once again, if they did not find any integrity violations, we're now going to proceed to the next step. So just type ASSOC right here and then click on enter. And then after that, we're going to type SFC space /scan now. And then click on enter. After that, all you have to do is to wait for this to finish, and then they will try to fix if there are any problems with your computer. So once it is done, all you have to do is to restart your PC, and then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.